Ladies and gentlemen, we will now officially begin our program today.
The Permanent Secretary for Lands and Mineral Resources, senior government officials, invited guests, lessees, ladies and gentlemen, Bolobinaka, and a very good morning to all of you. At the outset, I want to acknowledge you all for your presence here today, this morning, and it indicates your commitment to developing your individual livelihoods while striving to maintain your tenure of land, which is ultimately the main backdrop of our gathering today. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government recognizes you all as equal citizens of our beloved nation, and equal citizenry is enshrined in the 2013 Constitution. And there are no more lines alienating an ordinary Fijian from another. And you are duly recognized as such, and it is on that notion that I am indeed delighted to be here with you this morning to share with you yet another new experience of life. Most of you present here today understand that with the security of land ownership, the possibilities of prosperity are boundless, and chances of wealth accumulation, so to speak, become tenfold. And through receiving these leases, I hope and trust that you are on your way to ensuring the success for your families through suitable relative avenues, and only you and them are familiar with that. This has led us here to here and now, and this roadshow and public consultation is for you, our state land lessees, and we're here to hear your thoughts and concerns and issues and discuss with you all the possible resolutions that may, in the future, amicably transition the entire process of state land leasing, and bearing in mind both sides of the coin. Let me assure you, ladies and gentlemen, that there is a lot of work being done behind the scenes by the staff in my ministry, and there is even a hindrance of progress. If there is even a hindrance of progress on their part, in the public's eyes, then I ask you to bear with us. But be rest assured that your patience, your tolerance and struggles is not without its reward. My senior managers and I are personally here today to see that your queries that you've raised and views that you've actually made known are in our collective attempt to gauge the effectiveness of the whole process and see, if need be, the areas that may need vast improvement on our part. Let it be frowned upon that it is human nature for people to question motive, and there will always be those who attempt to paint a negative picture on such an occasion, but I want to clearly tell you and clearly state to you today that this handing over of renewed agricultural leases and approval notices has been an ongoing exercise, and is in no way, absolutely in no way, fueled by political ambition, and it must not be portrayed as such. The simple reason is that I'm here in the Western Division for 2 days, starting here, right here in Rakiraki, and finishing off in Singatoga tomorrow, to provide all the state land leases, lessees an avenue to highlight issues and concerns which may or may not have been stringently attended to. And I'm here to attempt to resolve some of the long-standing issues on site, to save you the hassle of trying to get in touch with me or to assist in your predicament, and whatever it may be. And in summary, the ministry is here for the general public, who are our patrons. And so today, after receiving your lease documents, do not be afraid to inform me of any challenges that you may have faced in the past, so that it can be sorted out here in order for us all to move forward together. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to start the ceremony that's going to be for the handing of the renewed agricultural leases, as well as your approval notices, and I look forward to having a good discussion with you straight after that. So thank you very much. Vinawalevu and Dhanyavad.